And since we are meeting for the first time, can you please short brief introduction for yourself?
Yes, sir. It's my pleasure. I introduce myself in a nutshell. My name is Pooja Prabhakar. I'm from Delhi. I have completed my graduation. I'm mother of two kids, and simultaneously, I create my YouTube channel to practice my communication skill. And if you talk about my hobby is only learning English, and nowadays my hobby is only learning English, and I love traveling. Also, that's all about me.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Pooja.
I'm
So,
eager to know something about yourself. Please introduce yourself.
so you are eager. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yes, I'm eager.
So, yeah, actually, yeah, it's been a 2 months. I want to connect it to you, but some reason I couldn't add my groups due to some technical issue, I would say. Okay, so shall I introduce myself?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So this is Jimmy here, and I'm speaking to you, calling to you, or connecting to you, Calcutta, in the state of West Bengal. And if I talk about my education, I am not too much educated, guys. I completed my class 10 only. I couldn't continue my education, like financial crisis, I would say. So that's the reason I couldn't continue my further education due to my family problem. And I don't have any regret. By profession, I'm a hairstylist. I cut hair, women and men also. And earlier I worked to parlor, but right now I work in an urban company. It's a pan India company. It's total being online services. So we have to go the customer houses and provide the service. And when I have been free, so I thought that should I practice myself, or because I like so much this language. And as my free time, I practice myself. I listen music, I listening Hollywood music as well as. So yeah, this is my routine is every day to grab this language, I would say.
Okay. That's great. Very lovely introduction from your side. And you mentioned you are not educated much more. So it's not necessary how are you how you have educated, but you are speaking very well. You are good at English. It's very important. You are
Correct.
able to communicate with many people and you convey your thought. So there is no need to a lot of education over here. It is a language.
Okay. So I will ask you one question, like, what is the barrier? What is the problem? Or what is the problems are coming while you conversation or while you talk to anyone? Do you have feel the problem when you talk to anyone, like you are stuck or you couldn't able to pronunciation the word or sentence at that time or that moment? Because when I talk or most of the people to talk any co-learner, the actual meaning or vocab is not come in that moment. So are you facing the challenges or problem or not?
Yes, sir. I'm struggling right now because in my initially day I'm not comfortable on audio call any random people, and nowadays Skype has helped me a lot to overcome my hesitation. And nowadays I'm also struggling right now because I have been learning this language for 5 months. It's been 5 months
Hmm.
complete. Yes, sir. And I'm
But
facing a
we
lot of problem due to vocab. Sometime I forget helping verb. Sometime I forget preposition. And sometime while speaking, I forget vocab what I want to speak. So this kind of problem I'm facing.
okay, like you said that your journey is 5 months, but at least 5 months you are speaking very well, I would say, and you
Okay, thank
was
you.
not comfortable to talk anyone like video call, but right now you talk very very good, I would say, and it's
Yes.
happened to due to your practice, I would say. And if I talk about my journey is 3.5 months. Okay, actually, I practice myself earlier like yes, fluency and open talk, but I like I don't like audio call. I like video call because it's a reason. So the
Yes.
reason is
Yes.
when you talk to any person, you can remove your hesitation. You face the camera.
Yes.
You will be habituated to eye contact, your hand movement, your body language, and as well as you can remove your fear also, and you can build your confidence also. So I switched those application before 2 months ago, and I came here. One of my friends suggests me like Skype is a very good if you talk to any person without any fear, you can upload this application and you can face one on one with the support of the camera. And yeah, I improve a lot. I talk to every day like 1 hours. It's up to my convenient time. I has been free or not. When I has been free, so my motive is like 45 minutes or 1 hour. I connected to the people with the support of this application. And being 3.5 months is my journey. So yeah, I would say I'm not a good speaker, but I can intermediate, I would say.
but your speaking is very good, and you say you are using this application for 2 months, but you are very comfortable in English, because it's when earlier I was not serious about this language, but when I create my channel I study constantly, as well as Skype has helped me a lot. And especially video call, when I conversation day to day every single person, so it's helped me a lot to overcome my hesitation. And while watching our video, we always try to remove our mistake, whatever we do while speaking. So it's helped me a lot by creating our channel as well as Skype. This is the benefit of this application and creating our channel. Okay,
Okay.
sir, I want to ask you one question. Okay, what do you think about success? Do you believe success it's come overnight, or does it takes time? What do you think?
Mm, I would say like success is not coming overnight. It will take time. There's a three, four key to get the success. Like first key, I would say, or first thing I would say, like consistency,
Yes,
patience, and hard work. If you have a good skill, and if you are in very hurry, you like think that I want to achieve this, platform or this position right now or overnight, it will not, I would say, complete, or it will not get you immediately. Everything will take time due to your consistency, your hard work, patience, and skill. If you have a good skill, though, so you can get very easily. But if you don't have skill, like suppose I have a good skill in communication,
yes,
or I have a good skill
yes,
in I'm a good footballer, but I think that I want to go in a Europe country, and I sign the club and I want to become a Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi. So it's not like that. uh, Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible, but you have to do hard work,
hard.
consistency, patient, and you have to wait correct time, I would say.
Yes,
Most of
yes,
the
yes,
people don't observe it. Most of the people get very hurry. This is a very right time, I have to share, or I have to like play, or I have to communicate with the people. So that time the people lost their confidence. They defect, or they lost their journey, or they lost their I would say, mm, they lost their life, I would say. I mean, life in the sense, they lost their journey. So we shouldn't get in hurry. We have to wait our correct time, consistency, and our parent blessing as well as, I would
yes,
say, is the most important part to achieve the goal and success, I would say. Because without the parent blessing, you can't achieve your goal. Whatever you do, you
yes.
hard work, practice, consistency. Without mother blessing or parent blessing, you never ever achieve the success, I guess. In my point of view, maybe I get wrong, but it's my opinion, I would say.
You're right, sir, because this is a truth, because everyone should make understand that success is not magic that happens overnight. It requires hard work, consistency, efforts, and patience. If we dream of achieve something, so it take time. So don't give up, and you constantly effort what you want in your life, because many people give up. If you, for example, beginner, they start their journey but they don't see any good result, so then they give up. So it's not a good. First of all, stay focused and believe in yourself, because when you believe in yourself, you can turn the impossible into the possible. And belief creates confidence, and confidence leads to hard work. And first step to success, trusting in your uh, trusting in yourself. Never lose hope, never give up, and believe in your strength, believe in your dream, and you can achieve what you ever imagined. So believe is very important. I get stuck many times.
Okay, okay. Okay,
Yes,
okay. Don't worry about. And one thing here, I add you like nowadays the youngster, like 18 to 30 age, the youngster nowadays, this era,
yes,
the youngster are think the shortcut. They think that this is a shortcut I can gain, and I can achieve the goal. So there is no any shortcut. I
yes,
would say to your audience or your channels, to the public, there is no any shortcut. You have to believe yourself. You have to be consistency, hard work, and wait the correct time. Because nowadays they are very hurry, like they need a, like bungalow, car, bikes, in very hurry. So that's the reason they doing the bad activities. Okay,
Yes, sir.
say they are going to wrong way because they think that this is this is the way where I can earn very easily. I can, wealthy person over in night, or I can be
Yes,
billionaire over in night. So it's not happen. It is not impossible. There is no any shortcut. If you are try to, you know, doing the shortcut, you get the punishment one day. Definitely, you will be regret one day due to your shortcut or bad activity, I would say. So focus your goal, believe yourself,
yes.
placing your parents, consistency, hard work, wait your correct time. That is my suggestion to your audience and as well as my audience also.
Yes, you are right. Because if you put your 100% effort, so you achieve what you want, and so don't panic and give it time, and trust the process of your efforts will surely pay off. So stay focused and believe in yourself. You
If
achieve
you do
what you
hard
want.
work, if you do hard work, consistency, patience, one day the God will give you reward. So
Yes,
reward is not give you immediately. It will take time.
yes,
Like me or you. Once upon time you couldn't talk to audio call, but right now you talk to the people. It's why it's happened to your consistency and hard work, patience. So the patience level we should be maintain ourselves.
yes, you are right.
Okay.
You are right. Okay, so sir,
So
tell me. Okay, carry on.
okay, ask me.
No, carry on.
No, no, okay, ask me. Sorry to interrupt. You can ask me.
Okay. So what do you think? Many beginners start their journey and they give up due to lack of confidence and believe yourself. So what do you think? What do you think? And how can they um, stay focused on their journey and stay motivated? Do you want to give
Uh,
suggest him?
I want to give suggestion those people who start their journey. First of all, whatever platform, it can be English, it can be any platform. Like suppose most of the people who watch their dream, they want to become an IAS, IPS, or very good, uh, in this language or public speaking in English. So I give the suggestion they have to do hard work. Okay, and consistency also. Okay, and
Yes.
the second thing you have to be shameless, I would say. It is my formula. The people
Yes.
love me. Whatever people say, I just, there's a two ear. There's a two ear. Just I close my one ear. Forget it. Whatever
Yes.
people is saying, forget it. You just wait to the correct time. When the correct
Yes.
time will come, the people, when they used to judge you, they will come and they will really, ask you and they will took the suggestion to you. So forget it. Whatever people are saying, you have to be shameless. You can
Yes.
you can start yourself. Whatever platform you choose, you can just start not tomorrow. Now, I would say. So is my like when I start my journey, the people love me. My friends are also, was laughing to me. They are, mocking to me. Okay, but I forget it, and I never say that. One day, I know that one day they really, salute me or they really give me a respect when I achieve the goal. And yeah,
Yes.
they say that you are very good. You are very command on this language, and and day by day you improve. You please get the formula. So yeah, these things are you have to be, implement like get the result or get the goal. I would say.
Yes, you are right. Because it's happened when you want to do in your life something, some people always pull your leg. So it's a depend on yourself. You focused and believe yourself, and right time never come. When you start your journey, you just speak, and whatever you have knowledge, whatever you have grammar knowledge, but start your speaking. There is no need to a lot of vocabulary. There is no need to a lot of grammar, and it is a way right. It is a good way to start your journey. Talking about your day, what do you do in a long day, and what do you eat whenever you do something in your home. So you just everything describe in English. So stay focused, stay motivated, and stay stand in front of mirror and appreciate your effort, and admire yourself to stay motivated daily.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct. Yeah. Okay, do you have any question you can ask me, or otherwise we have to wind up the session because it's already 20 minutes about to complete. Because if the video is too longer, we can't record or we can't save it this conversation, I
Okay,
think.
sir. This okay, sir. Wind up the session and nice conversation with you. I really enjoyed the session with you. Thank you giving me your precious time.
You to be healthy, be successful in your life, and I truly say like it was a very great and nice communication with you, and I hope that I will meet you again if you are
Yes,
free
sir.
in in future. Okay, bye bye, take care.
Take care, sir.